Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel and just this is not only the ringtone button panel. Here we have ringtones and notifications on this panel. So if you will mute this button panel, you'll mute not only your ringtones or not only notifications but also ringtones. So if you wanna just change it, if you wanna mute only notifications, I suggest you to unmute this button panel, and after that just tap here to default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to none, and then just tap here to OK, and by this way you will mute device notifications but you'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.